What if I told you that your struggle to save is not about money? Stick around. This story might probably change your life. So let me tell you a story of Amara. Amara just got a job, and when she got her first paycheck, well, she treated her squad to jollof rice and asun. And she thought, I'll save next month. It's because I just got my first pay. So next month. Next month came, and her phone was buzzing with bills, with expenses. This is the reason why some of us don't save, or this is the reason we give for not saving. We say, expenses are everywhere. When the expenses are too much, how will I even be able to save? Do you know the truth? Month on month, month after month, those expenses won't get better. Expenses are everywhere. Even the rich are dealing with it. Expenses are everywhere. I can't guarantee you that it will get better in any month. So when you know this, you know that saying that expenses are too much as the reason not to be able to save is just an excuse. Savings is about self-respect. People that save, there's a mentality behind it, and they are just respecting themselves. And I will explain it now so it doesn't look like perspire to acquire the assets. When you save, you are saying that my future is worth it, right? When you have hope for tomorrow, when you are doing something today and you know you need to upgrade, maybe you are working, you're a graphics designer, and you know you can do your best. If you can even do more, you can earn more if only you can get a better laptop, and you decide to save just to get that better laptop tomorrow, and you are actually saving, then you are saying that future that you are looking forward to, that future that is making you to save is worth it. But when you indulge in impulse spending at the risk of saving, then you are saying, this food I want to eat right now, this thing I want to do right now is more important than that future. Let that future hold itself. Do you understand this? If your future is truly important and you have hope in better tomorrow, then you know that tomorrow deserves a seat at today's table. So when you are spending for today, when you're spending for now, when you are catering for expenses, you must actually understand and let it stick to your skull that tomorrow is also important. So tomorrow also deserves a space in this budget. And the tomorrow that deserves a space in this budget is what we call saving. That's investing. So if you think about saving in this way, do you think your saving habits will change? Tell me. Another thing, don't think that saving is a leftover money. Savings is not leftover. That's not how if you continue doing it like that, you will never get to save, because at the end of the day, there won't be leftover money. It does not work like that. Leftover money does not work. So what you need to treat your saving as is a non-negotiable bill. So what I'm saying is that once you get your income, the first thing you're supposed to attend to is saving. That way you can, trap yourself and force yourself to save. So don't start saying, okay, electricity, just take that amount of money. It can be 10%, it can be 15%. If you can do higher, good for you. But 10%, 20, 15% is okay. You can just throw it into the savings account, throw it into your locked emergency fund account, right? And the remaining money, that's the money you are left with. That's your income minus your savings. For other expenses, try to work around that remaining money. If you are saying when the expenses get better, my sister, since the day you've been saying it, when has your expenses gotten better? So, brothers and sisters, I said a quote. I said, tomorrow deserves a seat at today's table. Everything you need is in this book. This book is so much to me. It means so much to me because it will just push you to action. You've been having problems saving. You want a better saving habit. It's all in this book. It's all in this book. And I'll put the description, the link in the description below so that you can buy and download, right? Because it is really helpful. Very, very helpful. If you stay true to the content in it, it is going to change your finance games. Trust me. So, as usual, subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. It's your girl, the Financial Compass. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.